Hi everyone, welcome to our comprehensive course HPEC8104 Advanced Learning Theories. I'm super excited to meet you for the first time on this online platform. Through the lens of various theories, we aim to unravel the mysteries of how learning unfolds. The course dwells into crucial areas such as neuroscience, cognitive and constructivist approaches, behaviorism, social cognitive theory, information processing theory, motivation, and self-regulation. By examining these theories, we gain valuable insights into the intricacies of children's learning processes, empowering us to adopt a more innovative and effective teaching approach. The course offers a dynamic learning experience featuring Google Meet sessions, e-lessons, engaging e-forum discussions, and an array of embedded learning resources. Take your time exploring the materials on the course page, where we have curated and uploaded resources to enhance your understanding. We encourage you to come prepared with any questions you may have during our online meetings. Your active participation is key to a successful learning journey. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you online soon.